आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question says, reactant A is placed in a beaker to which reactant B will be added. Reactants A and B will not react unless B gets to a certain concentration. Once the reaction starts, both concentrations decrease until B has been consumed. Which of the following graphs showing concentration in moles as a function of time in seconds represents the reaction? So we have four graphs here. On the y-axis we have the concentration in moles. On the x-axis we have time, right? So from the question we know that the reaction will not start until the concentration of reactant B reaches a certain value, right? So B has to be increased until it reaches a value, after which the reaction will start. So first we have to find out in which of these graphs is B increasing up to a point. So in A, B is constant till some point and then it is decreasing, so A is eliminated. In option B, B is increasing till this point, so this we can consider. Option C as well, B is increasing till here and then it drops, so this will be considered. Option D, again B increases and then falls, so this will also be considered. So option A has been eliminated here. The second statement we get from this is, once the reaction starts, both concentrations decrease until B has been consumed, right? So once the reaction starts, which means once B reaches that maximum concentration, both concentrations should fall. So once, for example in option B, once B reaches this point, both concentrations should fall. So that is true in all three of these until B is consumed fully, right? So the concentration of B must be consumed fully. So the value of B, the final value of B must be 0. So in option B, in this option, the graph is consistent with what is said. B touches 0, the graph of B touches 0. In option C as well, the graph of B touches 0, whereas in option D, the graph of B goes down to a constant value and then stays at that constant value, which is greater than 0. So D is also eliminated. We are left with option B and C. Now, the question starts with reactant A is placed in a beaker to which reactant B will be added. From this line itself, we know that reactant A is a constant volume. Once it is placed in a beaker, there is no addition or subtraction to the volume of A, right? So the volume of A is constant till the reaction starts. The concentration must be constant. So from that, option C is also eliminated, in which the concentration is decreasing from the beginning. Option B is correct because the concentration is constant till the reaction starts, when B reaches that required concentration, and then both their concentrations fall or decrease until B gets consumed fully, when its concentration becomes 0, and then the reaction stops. So the remaining volume or the remaining concentration of A stays. So option B is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।